Hi friends, welcome back to Elan Photography. So in this video I'm going to show you how to apply your preset in Photoshop. So I just click on the layer and I'm going to say filter, and here you see camera raw filter. Just click on that, and here you will get three dots here. So click on that. Also you can see load settings. Just click on that and you can load your preset here. So these are my new premium preset. You can download buy it from my website Jisensam Photography. So it's now available for 50 rupees and later it will increase. So make sure to buy it now. So I'm just clicking Moody Orange. It's my new preset. So I'm just loading it. You can see it's quickly it will load. That's some like already set the settings that you will load. So that is called presets. So I think this video help you a lot. It's a small video. I want to show you how to apply presets in your Photoshop. So I think hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.